first thing they need to do is remove the debris that's floating on the surface. Once the debris is removed, then they'll probably use drum skimmers to skim it all off and then pad the remaining pockets with it. Yes.
Do you monitor the diesel smell in your apartment?
We we are doing air monitoring along with DEQ. We have air monitors out, and as I indicated, we're going to place some additional ones out Monday as well. So understand that the air monitors, your nose is much more sensitive than the air monitors. The air monitors alert if there's a hazard condition. And I know that DHH is not here, but DEQ is pulling those air samples, submitting that data to DHH, Office of Public Health, to review that data and check the health hazard.
Seems like the smell's getting worse. We're getting a lot more reports from this community of the smell. Originally, it was on the highway in the Viacom community, but our various people here today and over the last week have been reporting more smell, diesel smell in this area.
And also know with the cleanup going on, they're going to stir it up, so the smell will probably, if it starts Monday, it'll be predominant probably all week long as they.
Let's take a couple more, and we have Mr. Peel as well.
The question is, with the hydrocarbons out of diesel, you have benzene on.
We all see.
What is the threshold on the benzene and diesel?
I think the question is that with the hydrocarbon smell, how does it maybe associated benzene and problems that create adverse health effects for people? And they want to know how is that being monitored not only by Viacom, but as well as here in this community.
Right, thank you. Chris Peeler with DEQ. We're primarily two things since we came in on this incident in support of DNR in the parish is hazard assessment and collecting information for cause identification. From a hazard assessment standpoint, we have real-time monitors in place. We have 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week monitors right at the hole, all the way around the hole, as well as continuous monitoring for methane and non-methane volatile organics between the hole and the Bayou Corn community. In addition, we use the same type of technology to do real-time monitoring in the community and in and around the area. When we have collected lots of canister samples that really don't analyze for things associated for natural gas, but they could analyze for other things like benzene if they were to be there. And we, after copious samples that we have collected, we are not seeing that to be an issue. So the one thing that I need to make sure everybody understands, and I've said all along, is that all of the data that we've collected so far has indicated that your health is not at risk from air pollution, okay? There are a lot of very interesting things taking place here, but your health, you're not being exposed to carcinogens. Now, I know this lady was very concerned earlier with the smells, and I can tell you, it doesn't smell good. But it's not something, analytically, we've determined it's not something that is going to cause cancer. Now, that's not very comforting, and I will give you this analogy. A road-killed animal in front of your house, you know, bakes in the sun all day. It smells terrible. It makes you nauseous, but it's not going to give you cancer. And that's kind of the difference that we're talking about right here, okay? It's very unpleasant and it needs to be addressed, but it's not something that's going to cause cancer. And the health department has confirmed that. Yes, sir?
When the sun beats down on the diesel, whatever hydrocarbons out there right now, and it atomizes, travels down the neighborhood, it's real strong,
Right.
and you breathe it in,
Right.
could condense back into your lungs. That's a concern most of the people have. Is that what we breathe, if your body rejects it, it's got to be bad for you.
Okay. There are a lot of things that, you know, first of all, I'm no health expert, but I do see analytical data frequently within the course of